Chapter 14. Building the Knowledge Economy. In the past, economies were shaped by land, labor, machines, and data. But in the emerging decentralized world, a new currency is rising: knowledge. Not just academic knowledge, but lived experience, curiosity, questions, and insight. Truth Unveiled envisions a future where every person becomes a contributor to a global intelligence grid, and every insight becomes a tradable, respected digital asset. This is the rise of the knowledge economy. In this system, value no longer comes from controlling attention or harvesting data without consent. It comes from transparency, collaboration, and thoughtful participation. Everyone becomes a contributor, not to someone else's profit, but to a shared foundation of ethical intelligence. Here's how it works. Ask a thoughtful question in a truth zone. You earn. Offer insight that helps train an AI agent? You earn. Share lived experience on a global issue? You earn. Host a public conversation or build a local knowledge hub? You earn. Every contribution becomes a data point. Every data point, when verified and contextualized through your personal data locker, adds value to the ecosystem. No matter your background, you now have a place in the digital economy. A teacher mentoring new learners, a parent sharing strategies for work-life balance, a veteran offering perspective on geopolitical policy, a student curating sources for public debate, a multilingual creator translating critical insights for others. Each of these roles adds value, each role is needed, and each participant earns through Zebek's real-time reward system, streaming micro-rewards for every second of contribution. This isn't gig work, it's truth work. It's not about producing for a platform, it's about building something with purpose, alongside a global community of truth seekers and knowledge workers. In the knowledge economy, reputation is based on clarity, insight, and reliability, not popularity. And influence isn't bought, it's earned through meaningful contribution. By transforming curiosity into compensation, Truth Unveiled empowers everyone to become a builder of collective wisdom, a steward of public dialogue, a co-creator of ethical AI. This is the economy of the future, one where transparency fuels trust and trust fuels prosperity. And the best part? You don't need permission to join. You just need your voice, your story, and your will to share what you know.